Hey there, this is Alex over at DuraLabel, and in this video we're going to be going over our pipe marking module, where I'll be showing you how to create a pipe marking label. To begin, we're going to go ahead and click on pipe marking over on the left. Once the module opens, there's going to be an additional prompt asking which submodule we want to begin in. For us, we're just going to begin in this general pipe marking. In some other videos, we're going to be going over the ammonia pipe marking as well as the arrow wrap. So for now, I'm just going to leave this selected and I'm going to hit OK. Now that we're in the module, I'm going to begin by adding an arrow facing the right. In order to do that, I'll click on this no arrow option on the right hand side, and I'll click on one of the arrows that I want to add in. If we want to add an arrow to the left side as well, there's two ways we can do that, either by going into the left side and selecting the arrow, or if we're still in that spot where we added the first one, we can click this apply to both. I'm going to go ahead and leave both arrows on for this one. Next, I just need to start adding the text itself. For this pipe, it's going to be a water pipe. So in this text section, I'm going to go ahead and type out water. There is also the option to adjust the height of the text. I'm not going to worry about this too much. There's some choices that I'm going to be making a little bit later that are going to automatically resize that text, so I'm going to leave this for now. The last option that we have in the pipe legend is to change the actual font itself. For our purposes, I'm going to leave the font as this Air Toro, but if you do want to change it, you just click on the drop down and you select the fonts that you would like to use. Now that we're done with the pipe legend side, I'm going to click on this X in this arrows section. This is going to bring back the label size as well as formatting option, where I'm going to make a few other changes. The first change is going to be the pipe diameter. This is going to be going on a 3-inch pipe. So from this drop down selection, I'm going to choose the appropriate size, which will be this 2.5 to 6-inch selection. With that selected, we can see that did adjust the width as well as the height of the text itself. That's why earlier I didn't worry too much about adjusting those. The next and last thing that I'm going to be doing for my label specifically is adjusting the color. Per the ANSI standard, I'm going to want to make sure that this is set up in the correct color, so I'll click on that and then select green. Now, depending on what some of your needs may be, there are a few other options in the formatting, such as portrait. This is going to work well if you have a vertical pipe that you need to label, as well as the pipe wrap option. And just to bear in mind, when you are using the pipe wrap option, you will notice that the width is going to adjust, so just make sure that the supply you have loaded is still the appropriate width for that pipe wrap. Hopefully this was able to help you learn how to create pipe marking labels. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.